How to recognize signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. A dog's tail is not only an adorable feature that wags with joy, but it also plays a pivotal role in expressing their emotions. From wagging in happiness to curling in fear, a dog's tail is a crucial part of their body language. However, just like any other part of their anatomy, a dog's tail is susceptible to injuries, including fractures. If you suspect that your furry friend might have a broken tail, it is important to recognize the signs and take appropriate action. In this video, we will explore the signs and symptoms of a broken tail in dogs, particularly focusing on fractures in the middle or middle tip. Firstly, it is important to understand that not all tail injuries result in breaks. Sometimes, a dog's tail can become sprained or strained, which may cause similar symptoms but require different treatments. However, if you notice any of the following signs in your dog, it is essential to consult a veterinarian, as they can accurately diagnose the issue and provide appropriate care. One of the most obvious signs of a broken tail in dogs is the change in their tail's appearance. If the tail appears bent or crooked at a specific point, it could indicate a fracture. Additionally, you may notice swelling or bruising around the injured area. However, please note that these signs can be subtle and may require close observation to identify. Another telltale sign of a broken tail is heightened sensitivity or pain when the tail is touched or manipulated. Your dog may exhibit signs of discomfort, such as flinching, whimpering, or growling when their tail is handled. Some may even express aggression as a defense mechanism due to the pain they are experiencing. In severe cases, a dog with a broken tail may exhibit changes in their behavior. They may become withdrawn, inactive, or exhibit signs of depression. This is because the pain and discomfort associated with a broken tail can also affect their overall well-being. It is important to note that these behavioral changes can also be indicative of various other health issues, so a trip to the veterinarian is necessary for an accurate diagnosis. When it comes to fractures in the middle or middle tip of the tail, dogs may also present with open wounds or bleeding. If the skin is torn or if you notice blood on your dog's tail, it is crucial to seek immediate veterinary attention to prevent infection and further complications. It is important to remember that only a veterinarian can provide an accurate diagnosis. They may conduct a physical examination and potentially order additional tests such as X-rays or ultrasounds to confirm the presence of a fracture. Based on the severity and location of the break, the veterinarian will determine the best course of treatment. Treatment options for a broken tail may vary depending on the severity of the fracture. In some cases, conservative management, such as rest and pain management, may be sufficient. However, in more severe cases, or if the fracture is open, surgery may be required to realign the bones and promote proper healing. During the recovery period, it is vital to follow the veterinarian's instructions to ensure a successful healing process. This may include limiting your dog's physical activity, using supportive devices like splints or bandages, and administering prescribed medications. Regular follow-up appointments will also be necessary to monitor the progress and make any necessary adjustments to the treatment plan. In conclusion, recognizing the signs and symptoms of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip is crucial in providing timely and appropriate care. Changes in the tail's appearance, heightened sensitivity or pain, behavioral changes, open wounds or bleeding are all potential indicators of a fracture. However, it is important to consult a veterinarian for an accurate diagnosis and tailored treatment plan. Remember, your dog's well-being is in your hands, so be vigilant and attentive to any changes in their behavior or physical appearance.